Good morning, Graham Doessel, MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only law firm in the entire country that works exclusively in the area of default removal, judgment removal, inquiry removal, and repayment history information, or RHI. That's the nasty little sucker that gets stuck in your credit file if just 14 days, if after you haven't paid your bill for just 14 days. And that'll destroy your credit rating. You can't get finance in most cases. Look, I thought I'd talk about how often you should check your credit file.
Continue onto Smith Street Motorway, State Route 10.
Sorry, I'm just heading down the coast. How often you should check your credit file. And that depends, I suppose, on whether you're really credit active or whether you're just plodding along. As a minimum, the government has ruled that you are required to be able to get a free credit file every 12 months. Now, there's a reason that they make it available, and that is because, as a minimum, you should probably check your credit rating once every year.
Continue on State Route 10 for 6 kilometres.
Now, if you don't know where to go, you can go to all the individual credit reporting bodies, or I set up a website some years ago called freecreditrating.com.au. You put your name and your email in there, and then I just send you a link to all of the different individual free credit report options. Now that's directly with the credit reporting bodies, not with some of these resellers and on-sellers that all they want to do is try and flog you a loan. So check your credit file once every 12 months. If you're more credit active, check it more regularly. You might jump on to like Equifax or something like that, equifax.com.au, and sign up for their alert system. It costs you $10 a month or $20 a month or something like that. But what that will do is then alert you if somebody else has accessed your credit file. It'll alert you if you're likely to become victim of identity theft. Trust me, this stuff happens. We help clients all the time that are victims of identity theft. And with those alert services, it just helps to protect you from being unknowingly ripped off. So get a copy of your credit file, minimum every 12 months, and more regularly if you are more credit active. I hope that helps. See ya.